Hi, this is Kelly from Luxury Homes Tulum, and today we're in a very special house. We're going to check out this beautiful, interesting fusion of Gothic, of modern, industrial, and colonial. I promise you it's one of a kind. Let's check this out together. So here we are in the bar area, connected to this beautiful open floor plan. We've got a great kitchen with smeg appliances, backlit alabaster panels. This is a luxurious, sexy, beautiful place to spend time with your friends and family. Come, let's check this out together. So guys, check out this beautiful, beautiful island. It's huge. It's the place that you're gonna host your friends and family. This is gonna be the heart of every party, but you got room here. Check out this space. Beautiful, awesome pictures. We've got great pictures. We've got an incredible smeg oven and stove over there. This is a place to entertain. You're gonna love bringing your friends and family here. Let's check this out. So this living room is warm, it's comfortable. There are 20-foot ceilings here with massive arched windows letting in natural light. The gorgeous pool outside with fountains. Opening up into this open concept, big kitchen, huge dining space. This is a lovely, lovely space to unwind and also to have a great time with your family and friends. I promise you gotta check it out. This space is unique. Come on. Some of the interesting features about this house are the really, really nice, slick, smooth surfaces. We've got polished concrete everywhere, and we've got a great, great mixture, a fusion of so many styles. We have colonial light fixtures. We have great, massive, massive pieces of primitive furniture here. Again, we've got this polished concrete carried throughout in the dining table. There's a lot of texture going on here, a great fusion of styles. So here I am at the head of the table. That's where you should be, at the head of the table with your friends and family here with this beautiful, beautiful fountain behind us. This is going to be an amazing space because the plans are to open up this space, and we're going to have 2 additional bedrooms which are going to branch off from this basic little hallway here. It's going to be an amazing space. It's going to be a 5-bedroom house that's going to knock your socks off. All right, so you got a man cave? Let me show you my man cave here. This great space is where we do all the tasting. We taste tequila, we taste mezcal. This is a smoking room. This is where all the guys come to hang out. This is a special place. Right above us is that cavernous, that massive open space, the living and dining area. It's a beautiful way to let in natural light into your man cave. Come check it out. So this pool area has 3 areas in which you can relax. Actually, it has 4. It has a seating area over here. It has a table for 4. And it has a beautiful built-in back here with some lovely cushions. Oh, that's 3. Oh yeah, the 4th one. Let's chill in this beautiful pool with those customized fountains. That sound is amazing. And with these windows open, it just penetrates through the house. It's a beautiful sound. So the lovely couple that created this amazing space had an idea. They went to Italy and they saw many, many beautiful things. But one of the things they were impressed with architecturally was the rib vault. So they came back here to Casa Halo and they added this beautiful ribbed vault ceiling to this already amazing staircase. What do you think? It's something else. Look at this. So this is the master bathroom, this beautiful, beautiful his and hers bathroom, gorgeous fixtures, beautiful mirrors, But what's really impressive here is the feeling of being outside. There's so much natural light. Behind us, we can see the canopy of trees. This is a double lot. So these trees that we're going to see right here, these trees will be here forever. We can make sure of that. That's a nice thing to have. You just look out and shave in the morning and say, wow, this is a cool place. I'm living my best life here. Let's go check out the master bedroom. So this sumptuous master suite is a delight for the eyes. We've got these beautiful, beautiful charcoal tones, bright pieces of artwork that are just popping off the walls. We've got textures, tufted velvet chairs. We have beautiful, beautiful, sensual fabrics everywhere. And to make this even better, we have our own private terrace right off of this master suite. Let's go check out this space to have our morning coffee. So this beautiful private little terrace right off of the master suite. What a great place. We can start our morning here. We can finish our evenings here. I love this space because this feels like we're part of the inside, yet we're outside under the beautiful stars and under the beautiful sky. With it again, the canopy surrounding us. It's a nice place. You're gonna love it. I hope you guys enjoyed Casa Halo as much as I did. That place is amazing. That fusion of those different styles, it's executed flawlessly. It just creates a magical space. Anyway, if you want to find out more information about Casa Halo, please make sure you follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can Gmail me. You can also contact me via WhatsApp. I'm available. I've got information and I'd love to share it with you. Thank you so much and adios.